Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of chapter number 7, experiments with water, from question number 6. In the last video or in the first part of the video for this particular chapter, we saw answers till question number 5. Answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences, and now we are going to see answers from question number 6. Answer the following questions. So let's begin. Question number 1 is, on the basis of which qualities are substances classified? So answer is, substances are classified into various groups on the basis of qualities like appearance, solidity, dissolving in water, which means soluble, or not dissolving in water, which means insoluble, floating or sinking in water, and transparency. Question number 2. Even if a person does not know how to swim, he or she does not drown in the Dead Sea. Why? Answer. There is about 300 gram salt in every 1 liter water of the Dead Sea. Since this water is extremely salty, it is heavy. Due to the heaviness of water, even if a person does not know how to swim, he or she does not drown in the Dead Sea but floats on it. Next, question number 3. Could you see the salt after it dissolved in water? If no, why? Your answer is no. One cannot see the salt after it dissolves in water. This is because salt solution is colorless. Since salt is white in color, salt dissolves completely in water and disappears. Salt is soluble in water. It is a solute. Now, question number 4. State some methods of dissolving sugar quickly in water. Answer. Methods of dissolving sugar quickly in water. Point number 1. Add sugar to the water and stir it continuously with a spoon. Point number 2. Add sugar to the water and heat it. Point number 3. Grind the sugar into a powder and then add it to water. Next, question number 5. What difference did you see in the water with salt and the water with chalk powder after keeping for some time? Your answer is, the salt has completely dissolved in the salt solution, so no salt is seen in the water, whereas the chalk powder does not dissolve, so it settles down at the bottom of the glass, so it can be clearly seen. Now, question number 7. Answer as asked. Number 1. You have washed your handkerchief and you want to dry it quickly. What will you do? So here I have written answers in points. So point number 1 is, I will squeeze out all the extra water from the handkerchief and leave to dry in the sun. Point number 2. I will dry the handkerchief in a place that is airy or windy. Point number 3. I will switch on the fan and hold the hanky in front of it. Next, point number 4. I will run a hot iron on the hanky that has dried slightly and try to dry it even faster. Next, number 2. You have been given some lumps of sugar, which means mishri pieces. Suggest some ways to dissolve them quickly. Answer. To dissolve the lumps of sugar quickly, follow the following points. Point number 1. Stirring continuously with a spoon after adding the lumps will dissolve them quickly. Point number 2. The lumps will dissolve quickly if the water is heated. Point number 3. Breaking the lumps into small pieces, then adding them in water and stirring continuously with a spoon will also dissolve them quickly. Next, question. Question number 8. Classify as required. Number 1. Classify the following substances into those that dissolve in water and those that do not dissolve in water. So, the substances are glass, sugar, oil, wood, rock candy, iron, pen, salt, lemon juice, plastic, milk, honey. Now, substances that dissolve in water are sugar, rock, salt, lemon juice, milk and honey. Next, substances that do not dissolve in water are glass. Glass means कांच. ओके, जो कांच होता है उसे ग्लास कहते हैं. ग्लास, ऑयल, वुड, आयरन, पेन, प्लास्टिक. Next, question number 2. Classify the following substances into those that float on water and those that sink in water. So, substances are wood, iron nail, plastic, soap case, stone, sand, indigo powder, kerosene, brick, pencil and needle. Now, substances that float on water are wood, plastic, soap case, indigo powder, kerosene and brass bowl. Next, substances that sink in water are iron nail, stone, sand, brick and needle. Now, we have an activity here. Check whether the given solid substances dissolve in water or not. Do this activity in group. Now, given substances are sugar and salt, chalk powder, sawdust. So, things required are 5 transparent glass beakers, water and spoon. Now let's see method. Point number 1. Take 5 transparent glass beakers. Point number 2. Fill about 2/3 of each beaker with water. Point number 3. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar in the first beaker and 1 teaspoon sand in the second beaker. Point number 4. Add 1 teaspoon each of salt, chalk powder and sawdust in the third, the fourth and the fifth beaker respectively. Point number 5. Stir each mixture with a spoon. Point number 6. Wait for some time. Point number 7. Observe what happens to the substances mixed in the water. Now, observations. Point number 1. Sugar and salt dissolve completely in water. Point number 2. Sand, chalk powder and sawdust do not dissolve in water. Conclusion. Sugar and salt are soluble substances dissolve completely in water, whereas sand, chalk powder and sawdust, they are insoluble substances, so they do not dissolve in water. Next, we have HOTS questions. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter or alphabet in the box provided against each question. So, number 1, which couple of substances is soluble in water? Your options are option A, salt and chalk, B, sugar and salt, C, sugar and sand, D, sand and chalk. Your answer is B, sugar and salt. Question number 2, which of the following group of things float on water? Your options are A, rubber, wood, sand, B, wood, rubber, chalk, C, thermocol, plastic, kerosene, D, sugar, stone, ice. So the correct option is C, thermocol, plastic, kerosene. Number 3, which liquid mixes well with water? Your options are groundnut oil, B, petrol, C, kerosene, D. vinegar. Your answer is D. vinegar. Now number 4. Of which set of items is mixture of tea made? Your options are A. milk, sugar, tea, B. milk, lemon, sugar, C. sugar, tea, rock candy, D. tea, lemon, milk. So your answer is A. milk, sugar, tea. So here we complete our chapter number 7, experiments with water. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.